In this video, we're going to walk you through setting up QuoteValet in QuoteWerks for the very first time. We'll cover the basics and highlight some advanced features you can explore in our QuoteValet help documentation. You'll find detailed instructions on setting up QuoteValet in the QuoteValet chapter of our help documentation. To access the help file from within QuoteWerks, just click on Help and select QuoteWerks Help. Then navigate to the QuoteValet chapter and you'll find a section on setting up QuoteValet. Now let's dive into QuoteValet. It's the online platform for delivering and accepting quotes designed to be a turnkey solution. If your QuoteWerks installation is already configured, you can start creating interactive quotes in just minutes. But before we jump into QuoteValet, here are a few things you need to do. First, ensure that your company information in QuoteWerks is accurate. You can find this under Utilities, Change Registration Info screen. QuoteValet uses this info for branding your templates. Next, make sure each of your sales reps has their personal settings updated in Tools, My Preferences. This includes name, picture, signature, mobile phone, and email. The sales rep must have a password in QuoteWerks as well. For the best performance, place the sales rep photos and signature images in the QuoteWerks Images folder. With your company and sales reps ready, let's enter your QuoteValet Tenant Credentials. If you've recently purchased QuoteWerks or are testing, you should have these details. Check the License Manager to ensure your QuoteValet subscription is active. Here, you'll see the tenant account subscription details. If you have these details, proceed to the next step. If not, contact a QuoteWerks representative for assistance. Now let's set up QuoteValet. To access the setup, go to Tools, Options, QuoteValet. Make sure the Enable checkbox is selected and then click on the QuoteValet setup. Within the General tab, you can upload your company logo, link your company's YouTube account and set default YouTube videos, as well as customize your QuoteValet URL. The custom QuoteValet URL lets you embed your company name in the URL your customers see. The Templates tab allows advanced customization of your QuoteValet templates. The Site Files tab lets you replace other site files, such as the default banner. The Payment Processing tab helps you set up payment gateways. In the Activity Notifications tab, you can manage who gets notified when quotes are accepted. And the Resource Security tab lets you set security settings for QuoteValet Insight and QuoteValet Insight Leaderboard. A custom message can be added to the top of your QuoteValet page. This can be a static message, or you can rotate as needed with specials or promotions. It can be easily updated by changing the Company Message 01 field under Options, Company Message 01. This will automatically update the message for all current and past QuoteValet quotes. To further enhance user experience, a new feature has been implemented allowing for a typed written signature for acceptance. These collective improvements contribute to a more user-friendly and versatile system. With all the setup steps done, you're ready to send out your first interactive quote. When you email the quote to your client, there's no attachment. It's just a link to your quote because the PDF is part of the QuoteValet page. You'll receive notifications when your client views the quote, allowing you to track activity. We'll preview it first, and you'll notice that pictures associated with your products are automatically included in your interactive quote. That's it! Welcome to QuoteValet and the world of creating interactive quotes. Remember, included with your QuoteValet subscription, you can also create shopping carts, use QuoteValet Mobile, and more. Streamline your sales process, win more opportunities, and enhance your sales efficiency with QuoteWerks. Get started today.